I really enjoy the painting process. I have so much fun. I'm excited to share everything I know with you and help you on that journey toward fearless, bold painting. Hi, I'm Michele Usabelli, and welcome to my workshop. We are going to be working on direct, energetic, spontaneous paintings, but they do have a plan. One element I feel holding many students back is the ability just to go for it. If you are looking to bring energy and life to your paintings, this is the workshop for you. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or an experienced professional painter, I'm looking forward to painting with you and sharing this bold approach so that you too can incorporate fearless painting into your daily routine. So I hope you'll consider joining me as we delve into what creates a successful painting. Thanks.